Um, Hello everyone, this is Leuti and today I want to share about this Rescue S plus Bonfire combo. With this new Bonfire card, it's finally released in TCG, and for this Rescue S deck, from my experience playing this deck in OCG, 3 Bonfire is mandatory in this deck. Because you don't need to send cards from your hand or field. So and also you will get a lot of value from one card. You will get like plus 5 or 6 or maybe 7 from one card only. So this is the reason why this card is really strong. And you don't need normal summon also. Um, and the only target for this bonfire is Populous. So you need to wait. You need to wait until Populous release in TCG. But right now I recommend to you to buy this bonfire. I believe the price is going down like 70 or 80 maybe. Besides of Fire King, the deck that really good with Bonfire is Rescue S. And in TCG, I believe Airlifter is limit, so it's mandatory to play these three. I think I will talk about the list later, but right now I want to talk about this combo first. You only need a Bonfire in starting hand. Also, you need to play two Populous, so you need to play three Bonfire and two Populous. You need to play two because sometimes if you throw it, you have another one in your deck. Also with Snake a spell, you can cycling your Populous. So let's start for the combo. Activate Bonfire. Search Populous. Populous special summon itself. And start Snake a spell. Next, link group first, so it will trigger your Populous. The other thing about this, the other good thing about this Populous is sometimes you can target Preventer in your grave because you can target any fire in your grave and place it as spell trap. Place it as continuous spell on the field. So sometimes you can send your preventer from spell trap zone and you will trigger it effect. So that's the other thing about this Populous. And activate this Snake Eye spell and happy to summon Hydran. And Hydran, you can search Rector because this card is limit in TCG, so Bonfire is help this deck a lot. And Airlifter, actually you can either add alert or emergency, but for this combo I search alert instead because I don't need to um, send my rescue as monster from hand or field with emergency. And with alert, because you already have Hadron on the field, you can search Turbulence. And after this, it's really important to summon SP Little Neck. Because after you use this combo, I think one is summon Populous, second Linkuribuh, third is Hydran, fourth is Airlifter, and fifth is Little Neck. So it's really important to summon Little Neck first because it helps you to play around a Valor, Impalm, or Nibiru. So it's like a fifth summon. So Little Neck is really important in this deck. So, and you need to play two in this deck, even though this card is expensive. But if you want to play competitive, you need to play two. And after this, because you have alert and airlifter, you can banish it to summon this turbulence. And with the new card, this princess, um, your turbulence is almost always resolve with effect, because before of this, your opponent can target your turbulence before it activate its effect. They can negate your turbulence with discard valor or activate imperm. But if they do it right now, you just use turbulence plus SP Little Neck for princess, this Promethean princess, and summon turbulence and activate turbulence to set 4. So that's why it's really important to summon Little Neck first in this deck, and you can set 4. And actually, this is the other thing too. Um, Sometimes you can make Apollosa if you want. Let's say you can, if you make like Fire King deck, you can make Apollosa with 4 material, or you can just use your emergency to summon Preventer in your turn and get free summon for Elder. But if you want to play safe, you can just end up like this, because you have 3 monster on the field as body, and Turbulence is really have a good effect. Let's say if your card is destroyed by opponent card effect, you can destroy one card. Um, and in opponent turn, you can save your emergency and activate the emergency in opponent turn to summon Airlifter and to summon Preventer and send Preventer itself to summon this Airlifter. This limited Airlifter is really important to cycling your Airlifter, because card is limit. And with Airlifter, you can search either emergency or field spell, but it's really important to have field spell, because in TCG you still have 3 emergency, and um, emergency you can cycling back with um, your field spell, or with emergency you can banish emergency in grave to set this trap card if you want. So field spell is mandatory to search it in open autumn, but sometimes you can search another emergency from your deck, because card is not limit. And for example, like this, activate emergency to summon Airlifter, and you can search either field spell or another emergency. And it also important to have Patreon on the field. It help you to have to activate this content and extinguish. For content, it's, yeah, you can target opponent Snake AS. Let's say after Proto Nightmare release, I believe Fire King become a meta. So content is really important to target opponent Snake AS. And extinguish, I think the best target for a Fire King is Kirin maybe, or maybe Karunic, but yeah, it depends with the situation is. So as you can see, from one card you will get like plus 7. So this card, this deck is really catchy. Also, this deck is really hard to play. Um, in this situation, this is another tips. If you play around, if only you can keep your emergency until they activate evenly. Let's say, okay, so let's say like this. wait. Um, let's say your opponent have evenly, and you need to wait until your opponent activate evenly, and if they try to activate in entering battle phase, you can summon, you can activate rescue first, because you don't want to your rescue is banished, and then if they activate evenly, you can chain a little knight. Yeah, let's say in this situation, you can summon rescue if you have target, if you have target monster in your grave, but if you don't have it, you can chain opponent evenly with this little neck and target little neck, or maybe target both of your most under, yeah, you can target your own little neck plus under monster, let's say Hydran or this turbulence, and enchant 3 activate emergency and resolve emergency special preventer and send preventer and resolve SP little neck banish itself plus under monster, and evenly resolve, you can keep this content on the field and triggering preventer and summon any rescue S from your banish zone, and you still have a body, a monster on the field plus content on the field, and that's why evenly it's not popular anymore in OCG, because they still can have like negator on the field, and that's why also people move and play Duster plus Lightning Storm, because with Duster or Lightning Storm you will end up without big roll, and that's the other thing. And yeah, let's move for deck list. This is my last list that I played in TCG list. To turbulence, to preventer is mandatory. I think I don't want play more than 2, because if you play 3, it's too much. Undercard is 1 airlifter because it's limit. Impulse is another reinforcement of the army target. And this card is like a hand trap in this deck. I think you can play more than 1. I think you can play the under 2 inside deck, I think. And the target for Impulse is Fire Engine. I think Fire Attacker is good too, because it's like a max in this deck. 2 Hydra, I think 2 is enough, but you need to be careful both with 2 Hydran, because sometimes you need the third one, but if you play careful, you 2 is enough. To Populus, I already explained about this Populus. 2 is mandatory if you want to play 3, but if you only have like 2 bonfire only, you can play 1 Populus, but you need to play 3 wanted instead, and 1 Diabel, because with bonfire plus Populus, you don't need to have more than 1 Diabel star. So that's why I only play 2 wanted. And if you want to play more 3 wanted, you can cut this prosperity. The idea about why I play 2 prosperity is sometimes you can search your hand trap. Sometimes is search your engine. Search engine is main reason about to play prosperity for consistency, and the other reason is it helps you to search hand trap or staple or card maybe cult or talent, because cult is limit. Um, Also, you can search Populous. Actually, it also trigger your Populous. And hand trap, 3S, 3 failure. I think two of this is mandatory. I don't play troll in main deck because the idea is to stop opponent effect with 3 failure and 3 imperm, and I only play 9 hand trap, and I don't see the reason about to play Super Poly too, because Super Poly is not good enough. I think if you play against pro play pro player, Super Poly is not good enough. I think, but of course you need to test it more. Because I want to play 3 imperm and if 3 fails, so that's why I don't have room for Super Poly. And the staple is 3 bonfire to prosperity. As I said before, you can play one prosperity and play 3 wounded instead. It depends with your test this deck. But so far, I want to play two of these, two prosperity and wounded, and one snake eye spell. I think cultist will become a staple after a Fire King meta. I think this card is really strong against Fire King, and it helps you to negate opponent Ice Blossom because this emergency is really get hard against Ice Blossom, so that's why one Cold and one Talon. And for rescue as spell trap is a standard pre-emergency to trap one HQ. Reinforcement of the army is still needed, I think, because it helps you to search airlifter. Airlifter is still main starting combo beside of this bonfire. And another thing is standard extra deck one anima. I think it because people not expect to play anima in this deck, and you have a lot of level 1, especially this Populous. Sometimes you can summon anima instead of Linggu Ribu to equip your opponent monster in this link point too. And Linggu Ribu is mandatory in this deck. Mass is mandatory too. 2 SP is mandatory. Sonic Wolf it's optional. You can change this card with undercards. Maybe you can put a Super Poly target if you want to play Super Poly. This is not mandatory because the idea about this is to use your Promethean for link material, because Promethean is lock you from summon under fire monster. So you can change the Sunlight Wolf for under cards if you want, but sometimes this card is good. It help you to cycling your rescue as monster or as blossom. The Arc plus Hita, I think is two of these two is mandatory because you have lot of target, especially in fire meta deck, and it help you to free summon this Selene because the Arc and Hita is spellcaster, and you have Valor for spellcaster. Also, Diabel is spellcaster too. You can summon it in your grave with Selene, or you can summon Promethean instead if you don't want to summon Selene. The idea is Selene is to summon Apollosa when you're going first, and when you're going second is access code. Underworld is still needed. I think it helps you to take out opponent monster that cannot be target or something. Typhoon is good too. I think I already shared about how good this card is, especially in branded matchup, Chimera matchup too. It or against like Baron. Because with this deck you can play in opponent turn, so Typhoon is needed. And I think that's it. If you have any question, you can comment below, because I think already explained that I want to share for you guys. So yeah, that's it.